Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share a story to a Flipside profile on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And if you want to share a story to Flipside profile, first of all, we have to open our Flipside profile. We can go to our profile and click on at the key icon. And here we just need to click on this plus button on our profile picture like this. And here we can start to create a story. And for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo. And then we just need to click on this key icon to share this Instagram story to our Flipside profile. And I'm going to check it. Wait, the story now is being uploaded. And just click on your profile if you want to see your story. Okay, and now the story has been uploaded to my Flipside profile, and only friends who added to this Flipside profile who can view this Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can share story to Flipside profile on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.